Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. We're going to be featuring an independent makeup brand. They are a custom build your own palette type of brand, and I have reviewed them on my channel before, but they have recently reformulated and they've rebranded, and today I'm here to give you guys kind of the 411 on what's going on with this brand. So if you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, subscribe to the channel and let's get into the video. We have here two custom built eyeshadow palettes that I have created through the brand Unhidden Beauty. Now they used to be called Beautonomy. They were completely focused in the UK, and now they've rebranded, and I guess they've also expanded because you can find them more so in the US. So here is the Little Mermaid palette that I did create. This is the first one that I created with their rebrand. This one is more of like a purpley blue oceany palette, and if you guys want to see a tutorial with this one, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And then we have my second custom built palette from Unhidden Beauty, and this is the Autumn Spirit palette, completely inspired by fall. One of the great things about Unhidden Beauty is that you can actually upload your own cover photo. You can then rename all of your shades in the palette. So this is actually their 12 pan palette. I also have obviously like the smaller version, and it goes all the way up in size to a larger pan palette, like a 24 pan palette. You get to name all your shades, you get to customize the packaging. It does come with a full-size mirror in here, so that's like the customization part. They have some more duochromes in their collection as well, so it's a very well-rounded like collection of shadows that you can put in, and then you can actually repurchase the single shadows at any time, which is really nice, so that if you like hit pan on one of these or it breaks, you can repurchase them. Now you do get to go into their generator, you get to pick out all of the colors, arrange them however you want to, and that's where you like fully design the entire palette. All you have to do is head to unhiddenbeautyco.com, and then you can actually customize or shop some of their already like pre-designed palettes. This video is not sponsored in any way, so I just wanted to kind of throw that out there because like it's not sponsored. This was 100%, you know, my own doing. I wanted to do an eyeshadow look today with this custom palette. Now you can purchase this from Unhidden Beauty. I actually have a link to it in the description box down below, so you can actually purchase this like same palette. The cover art is actually just a little bit different because I actually played around with it a little bit more afterwards, but you will be able to get this palette that I have created, and you'll be able to create the same, if not similar looks with this palette. So let's get on into this palette. We have a wide range of like reds, yellows, we have a pop of purple, greens in here, we have oranges, just everything that breathes and lives like fall. And the whole like story behind this palette is that autumn is like my spirit season, so that's why the palette is called Autumn Spirit. Enough about this. Let's play a little bit. Use my alter ego set of brushes. I actually have a couple of like Sigma brushes in here we might be dipping into, but I'll let you guys know what the number is. These are for alter ego brushes. And I'm wearing like a plummy shirt today. I'm kind of thinking we're gonna do something more purpley, yellowy. Maybe we'll do a grungy green. Ooh, I am gonna start with Falling Embers. It is this shade right here. It's a very bright yellow matte shade. I actually need to tap out my eyelid a little. Okay, Falling Embers. This is a bright matte yellow. We're using an Alter Ego number 6 brush, which like the Alter Ego brushes are so pretty. I love the way that they redid these and they actually made the brush set like a bigger brush set because it comes with face brushes as well. And I've been using the face brushes like constantly. This is the first time I'm actually like using this palette. The yellow kind of goes on muted. I thought it was going to be a little bit brighter. But if we can build it up, that's fine. But it is like blending so beautifully. No patchiness like at all. That's pretty. So yellow, no yellow. That's really pretty. Usually I'm not so much like a yellowy person, but that's really pretty. Then I'm going to take a number 7 and we're going to use Harvest, which is this one. It's like a burnt orange, like a burnt brown. Why did I say orange? And I'm just gonna put this right here. Blend it into the yellow. And like the transition between the two, that's really pretty. Yeah, they're like blending out so pretty. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty. Look how like well that blended. That's nice. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Hellfire and we're gonna do a little bit of orange too, because this is like a orangey red color. I just want to do it right here. Like right where that transition is. Okay, now we're gonna take Immortality, which is like this berry tone right here. I am going to put this on the outer and inner corner. Kind of give it like this brownish berry tone, so it'll just like deepen it up more than anything. We are going to get as many colors on my eyelid as possible. Okay, I'm not going to do it on the inner corner because we're going to use the witches. So this is like all of the names, they just kind of like got pulled out. I pulled them out from like different like movies that I love, things I love about this season. Ooh, that's pretty. This is like a forest green metallic shade and my brush is not wet right now. And this is going on so smooth. Barely any fallout too. I like that. It's very like grungy, gothy. That's so pretty. And now for right here to kind of pull it all together. What do we want to do? I think we're going to do Spirit, which is this shade right here. It is a metallic silver. I'm hoping this does what I want it to do. Just kind of like pull it all together. That's really pretty. The shades are blending out so beautifully. So that was the Alter Ego number 11. And then I am going to take the berry tone, which is Immortality, using Alter Ego number 11. And then Harvest, which is that burnt orangey brown. And then Alter Ego number 9 and just like smudge. Ooh, that's really smoky. And then I'm gonna go back to the number 11. And we're gonna take Frankenstein, which is this like neon green, and we're just gonna pop this in the inner corner. That is so pretty. It's got like golden reflex in it, so it's like really pulling the yellow out, I feel. Very, very different eyeshadow look for me. Very different. So I'm gonna spray. Let's fix my eyebrows. where are you? So I have the NYX Control Freak. This is the eyebrow gel. I need my little mirror. Ooh, that eye look is super pretty. I like it. This is like down to the bare minimum. Good thing I have another eyebrow product that I'm going to be using soon / trying out. For mascara, where is my eyelash curler? I don't even see it. Where did I put? Oh, there it is. This is just an AOA $1 eyelash curler. And then I have a little sample of Maybelline's Falsies Lash Lift mascara. Like, this thing is so tiny. And it's got an hourglass wand. It kind of reminds me of like a tubing mascara. I forgot lips. I forgot lipstick. So here is the finished eyeshadow look with the Autumn Spirit custom palette I built through Unhidden Beauty. If you guys like creating your own eyeshadow palettes and really just kind of messing with like color stories and creating your own custom palette, then definitely check out Unhidden Beauty. Their prices are really affordable, and the quality of their shadows has gotten so much better. They also do ship out of the US now, so you don't have to pay shipping like what you did from the UK. I'm really impressed with the quality of shadow like out of this palette. Some of these shades are like really hard to do, especially more of that like purpley shade. That burnt brown shade is gorgeous, and like the yellow is really pretty too. Like beautiful shades. So I will be playing with this more, but I hope you guys liked this tutorial, liked this look at Unhidden Beauty, formerly known as Beautonomy. If you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, then hit the subscribe button, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye!